My girls dream big, so I dream bigger. And today, my oldest daughter just came up to me out of the blue. Hey Mom, what about for my birthday this year? I would like to go to Disneyland. And I am so grateful that I didn't have to turn her down this time. I totally sat there and just dreamt with her of what this day would be, who she would take, and knowing what I know and investing in this program and getting into the digital growth community. Y'all, if you are not in this, if you have not done anything with digital marketing and you're seeing all these courses, I do highly recommend the Legacy Builder program. It is building a legacy for me. It's building a legacy for thousands of others. And my business that I've been running for years and growing has been with marketing and graphic design. And I have to tell you, after being in this program is where it's at. Not only do they break it down for those who are not technically inclined, they really do love on you. Everybody in this community loves on you. And they support you, and you get on calls, and you get to have one-on-ones, and you get to practice all these things that if you just go through a course, you're going to be overwhelmed. But with the support of this community, it is totally possible. So if you are ready to dream bigger than the wildest dreams of your kids, then comment ready, and let's do this together. Let's make everyone's dreams come true.